What is going on, guys? I am back with a really quick video. I just received my Accuair Endo CT from Eurotuning.com, and I just pulled out my old compressor here. It was an Air Zenith OB1, and then just my chrome 4-gallon tank. And I just swapped it out and installed it for an Endo CT. Black finish with the compressor inside the tank, obviously. And the black finish looks great. So this is just a quick mock-up of the trunk setup right now, just to get me running for the week. And I'm going to be actually doing a little bit nicer of a show trunk setup and hide it beneath the floor a little bit, just to make it even more practical. So let's do first startup and see how quiet this is. I've already recorded a clip with my old Air Zenith, which is actually quite a loud compressor, but it's one of the best ones on the market, and it fills it super quick. So yeah, let's do a first start. We probably won't even be able to hear it with my exhaust, and it's incredibly quiet. Like I don't even know if you guys can hear it right now, but it's on and it's filling, which is fantastic. Oh, it is so quiet. Wow. Check this out. So it's actually amazing how quiet this thing is. Actually, right now I'll do a quick comparison of my old Air Zenith tank, and it was hidden underneath the floor, underneath Dynamat, pretty much as hidden as you could get within the TT. So it was pretty much as quiet as it can get. It was still quite loud. With passengers trying to talk, it was kind of loud and really annoying. But this is actually amazing. You just hear a very slight hum. I'm super impressed with how quiet it is. Like, listen to that, that's insane. Yeah, it's crazy. So this will be a quick comparison. So this is the Endo CT, mounted right in the middle of the trunk. It's not hidden or anything. This is pretty much as loud as it can get. As you can hear, it's super quiet. It actually fills the tank pretty quickly. And then now I'll switch over to the Air Zenith compressor. So as you can see, it's like a major difference. This is an awesome tank. I completely recommend it. It saves space, it's quiet, it looks awesome. It's like a super modular. Yeah, it's an amazing system. I'm very excited to see how it lasts and all that. So yeah, this is just a quick video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I got lots of videos of the TT. I'm also a videographer, so I do a lot of features and stuff like that. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Danny Takes Photos. Make sure to give me a follow and check out some of my Instagram photos. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.